So now we're gonna learn about some set symbols. So the first we have this U. So this is nothing but universal set. So universal set contains, all the elements of other sets. Let's say there's a set A, set B, so it will contain all the elements of set A and B both. Now moving on to this symbol, what do we call this? So we call this B is an element of A. That means there is one element which which comes in set A. Now again, if I will cross this thing, so that means A is not an element of B. Let's say there is a set B which contains all the odd numbers and A is 2. So that means it's not an element. Moving on to this thing. So yeah, you all know this thing. These are the curly brackets that represent set. What do we call this? Null set. This is a set that is completely empty, white. It has no elements at all. Moving on to A, U, B. What do we say that? Set A union set B. This is how do we read. What does that mean? That means this is a new set which contains all the elements of A and B. Now, moving on to the next one, A and then there is this thing. It's not even A, right? So how do we read that? A intersection B. That means again this is a new set which is made up of set A and B, but it contains the common element of set A and set B. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comment what are the meaning of these symbols with examples.